Alright, so let's look at our first problem here. We've got acetylene gas, C2H2, undergoes combustion to produce carbon dioxide and water vapor. And the question's asking if 75 liters of CO are produced. We've got three parts here. So let's start with our balanced equation. So we know that we've got C2H2, so I'll go ahead and write that out. C2H2. And in order for combustion to occur, it's going to react with oxygen. And since it's a combustion reaction, we're going to get carbon dioxide and water, CO2 plus H2O. Okay. Next step is to balance the equation. So I went ahead and did this ahead of time, and I'm going to write in our balanced equation, C2H2 plus 5O2. That's going to give us 4 CO2 and 2 H2O. Alright, so our equation's balanced, and the first part is asking how many liters of C2H2 are required. So we're going to start with the 75 liters of CO2 that are given in the question. So part A, 75 liters of CO2. And we're going to do our mole ratio. Since these are all gases, we can treat our liters just like we would moles. So my ratio is 4 liters of CO2, and I'm getting that right from the equation here, the balanced chemical equation, right? And that's going to react with 2 liters of C2H2. Okay. And let's see, 75 times 2 over 4 is going to give us 37.5 liters of C2H2. Alright, that'll be the answer to part A. Next it's asking for, erase this and this. Next it's asking for the volume of water vapor that's being produced. So again, I'm going to start with the 75 liters of carbon dioxide. And since we're looking at water vapor, I'm looking at these two items here. Okay, so I'll set up my fractions again. So on the bottom will go my CO2, just like before. And the water is also 2 liters for every 4. And since these numbers are the same as part A, I know that it's going to be 37.5 liters of H2O. Alright, on to part C. Saying what volume of O2 is required. So again, 75 liters of carbon dioxide. And I'll set up my fractions here. So for every 4 liters of carbon dioxide, we are looking at oxygen, so that's going to be 5 liters of O2. I can't quite do this one in my head, so I'm going to punch this in. So 75 times 5 over 4, that gives us 93.75. But we were given 3 sig figs in the beginning, so I'm going to go ahead and round that up to 93.8 liters of O2. And that is how we do number 1.